I'm making Gajar Ka Halwa today, and I'm not a fanatic. I understand it's a sweet dish. We need to put some sugar, but I will teach you some hacks today how to make the dish tasty as well as not loaded with sugar. All know refined white sugar is bad for health. We all know it's not good, but it is tasty. I can see why we love this sugar, because it tastes better. But I want to give you some information. The process of refining this sugar, they use sulphur, and some of the sulphur stays on the sugar, and when we eat it, we consume that. Many Western countries refuse the import of sugar, white sugar, from India because the sulphur content is beyond the limit. We use a lot of this in our Indian kitchens on a daily basis. I don't use this sugar. There are alternatives. I mean, you can eat sweet dishes and use alternatives like jaggery. You can use honey. I use coconut sugar. You can use alternatives. Having said that, whether it's coconut sugar or jaggery or honey, sugar is sugar, and the body has to process it just like this sugar. So let's not be fooled by marketing techniques and it's better for you, it's good for you. Sugar is sugar. So what I do is I put some coconut sugar for the taste, of course, and then we have some sweetness from the carrots, right? The carrots have some sweetness. Also, to add to that, I put some freshly grated coconut, which adds to the sugar. I put some grated almonds. I put some cashews. I put some raisins, and I put all of it. I put some ghee too. I have some ghee here too. I put some ghee, and I make it tasty. But at the same time, it's a little more healthy than the regular Gajar Ka Halwa. So small things on a daily basis has a huge effect. Another good reason to add less sugar is when we add less sugar, all of us tend to eat a little less quantity, and small steps takes us a long way. With sugar, a little bit tastes better than a lot, but some taste better than none. If this video is helpful, hit the share button and share it with a friend.